What if I told you that one website project could potentially pay more than an entire month's salary at many traditional jobs? And what if you could build websites from home without being a programmer or having a computer science degree, and without spending years learning complicated coding languages? Well, say hello to one of the fastest growing opportunities to work from home. Today, I'm going to teach you how to start a web design career with AI and earn $5,000 or more with each site. So let's get started.
Made another bag, had to flex on them. Work from home, girl, got a check on her. Independent lifestyle, put respect on it.
Welcome to Work From Home. If this is your first time on this channel, I'm Tasha, Work From Home's AI online careers coach. We teach beginners how to start online careers from home through our easy-to-use mobile app and website. And today, I'll be walking you through our online career and business ideas and teaching you how to get started. But if at any point in the video you want more information or want to download the app or visit the website, the links are in the description. And if you are new to this channel and working from home is something you would be interested in, don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification bell to be notified the next time I post a new video. So with that being said, let's get to it. Artificial intelligence is changing how websites are built. Tasks that once took weeks can now be completed in days or even hours with the help of AI-powered tools. Businesses still need websites. In fact, more businesses are moving online every year. Restaurants need websites. Coaches need websites. E-commerce stores need websites. Local service businesses need websites. And many business owners are willing to pay thousands of dollars for a professional online presence. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how beginners can start an AI web design business from home and potentially earn thousands of dollars per project. We'll cover what AI web design is, why businesses pay so much for websites, the skills you need, the tools you can use, how to find clients, how people charge $5,000 or more per website, and how you can build this into a long-term work-from-home career. Before we talk about money, let's understand what AI web design actually is. Traditionally, building a website required learning coding languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and while those skills are still valuable, they're no longer required for many web design projects. Today, AI-powered website builders can help create website layouts, page structures, content, images, branding suggestions, color schemes, navigation menus, and marketing copy. So instead of building everything manually, AI helps automate much of the process. Think of AI as your assistant. You still guide the project. You still make creative decisions. You still work with the client, but AI helps you work faster and more efficiently. This means beginners can start producing professional-looking websites much sooner than in the past. And that's why AI web design has become such an attractive work-from-home opportunity. So one question many beginners ask is, why would someone pay $5,000 for a website? The answer is simple. Businesses aren't buying websites. They're buying results. Think about it. A website can help a business generate leads, book appointments, sell products, attract customers, build credibility, automate inquiries, and increase sales. To a business owner, a website isn't an expense. It's an investment. If a website helps generate $50,000 in new business, then paying $5,000 for it becomes an easy decision. That's why successful web designers focus on solving business problems. They're not selling pages. They're selling growth. When you understand this concept, everything changes. You stop thinking like a freelancer. You start thinking like a business consultant, and that's where higher-paying projects come from. One of the best things about AI web design is that it is accessible to almost anyone. This career may be ideal for students, stay-at-home parents, career changers, remote workers, freelancers, entrepreneurs, retirees, and creative individuals. You don't need a degree, you don't need years of experience, and you don't need expensive equipment. You simply need a willingness to learn, consistency, attention to detail, and problem-solving skills. If you can learn basic digital tools and communicate with clients, you can start building a web design business today. Now let's talk about skills. The good news? You don't need to become a software engineer. Instead, focus on these core skills. Skill number 1, design basics. Learn layout design, typography, color selection, and visual hierarchy. Good design is often simple. Clean websites usually perform better than cluttered ones. Skill number 2, user experience. A website should be easy to use. Visitors should quickly understand who the business serves, what it offers, and how to contact them. Skill number 3, communication. This skill is massively underrated. You'll need to understand client goals, ask good questions, explain solutions, and manage expectations. Skill number 4, AI prompting. AI tools are powerful, but the quality of results depends on your instructions. Learning how to write clear prompts can dramatically improve your website designs. Skill number 5, basic marketing. Understanding SEO, lead generation, and conversion optimization can help you create more valuable websites. And valuable websites command higher prices. Let's talk about the tools. Today's AI web designers have access to powerful platforms that simplify the entire process. Common tools include website builders. These help create websites without coding. Examples include drag and drop builders, AI website generators, and visual website platforms. Then there is AI writing tools. These help create homepage content, service pages, blog content, and product descriptions. Then AI image tools. These can help generate website graphics, illustrations, and marketing visuals, and also design tools. These are useful for logos, branding, social media assets, and website mockups. However, the goal isn't to use every tool. The goal is to create a reliable workflow that allows you to deliver quality websites efficiently. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is waiting for clients before building a portfolio. Don't wait. Create sample projects immediately. Build websites for imaginary businesses like restaurant websites, fitness coach websites, real estate websites, salon websites, and e-commerce stores whenever you can. Treat every sample project like a real client project. These examples become proof of your skills. And when a potential client asks, "Can I see your work?" you'll have something to show them. And remember, clients hire confidence, and a strong portfolio creates confidence. Now let's talk about getting paid. Many beginners believe clients are difficult to find, but in reality, businesses are everywhere. Start with local businesses. Look for companies with outdated websites or no website, poor mobile design, or slow loading pages. Then reach out. Keep it simple. Show them opportunities for improvement. Explain how a better website could help them attract more customers. You can also find clients through freelance platforms, LinkedIn, Facebook groups, networking events, referrals, and through content marketing. One satisfied client can lead to multiple referrals, and referrals often become your most valuable source of business. Here's the secret most beginners miss. Clients don't pay $5,000 for pages, they pay $5,000 for outcomes. So instead of selling a website, sell a lead generation system. And instead of selling 5 web pages, sell a complete online presence. Package your services together. For example, group website design with SEO setup, copywriting, branding, contact forms, appointment booking systems, and mobile optimization into a package. Now you're providing a business solution, not just a website. This is how projects grow from a few $100s to several $1,000s. Let's save you some frustration. Avoid these common mistakes. Mistake number 1, trying to learn everything before starting. Learn enough to begin, then improve through real projects. Mistake number 2, charging too little. Low prices often attract difficult clients. Price based on value. Mistake number 3, ignoring communication. Clients remember the experience as much as the final website. Mistake number 4, relying entirely on AI. AI is a tool, so your creativity and judgment still matter. Mistake number 5, giving up too early. Most successful freelancers struggled at the beginning, but consistency always wins, so don't give up. The future of web design is changing. AI is making website creation faster, easier, and more accessible than ever before. But businesses still need people. People who understand design, people who understand marketing, people who understand customer needs, and that's where opportunity exists. If you're looking for a work-from-home business, a remote career, a high-income digital skill, or a way to create your own income online, then AI web design could be one of the most exciting opportunities available, so start learning. Build your first sample website, practice consistently, improve your portfolio, and get your first client. And remember, every successful web designer started with their very first website. The only difference is that they started. Now it's your turn. I hope you enjoyed this video and you are excited to explore a career in AI web design. If you need more detail on how to get started, click the link in the description to visit our website. And if you like this video, please click the thumbs up and leave a comment. See you next time.